Hi everyone. So in the last Get Ready With Me video, I kind of left off on me doing my full set of makeup and not my hair or outfit. And as promised, I wanted to do something showing you guys what I would typically wear using this look or what my typical day to night outfits are. Let's start with hair since we're here. There's a lot of hair in this thing, but I use this wet brush. You can get one literally at any convenience store, market, grocery market. I got mine at Walmart, I think. You can also get one in CVS or like your local Walgreens. So the thing about the wet brush is it has bristles on it that doesn't tug on your hair. So instead of ripping your hair and allowing it to have dead ends, it'll kind of like let go of your hair as it runs through. I don't have typical Asian hair. Like my hair is super thick and it's not pin straight, it's kind of wavy. So what I would do is put dry shampoo in it. I use the dry shampoo from Lush, but because the Lush dry shampoo sticks onto my hair, I'm gonna use more of a spray today, and this one's the Batiste original dry shampoo. Pick it up from like TJ Maxx. Oh my god, my nail broke. And honestly, my hair does look very dead. So I do this Ego Boost leave-in conditioner by Bedhead in order to kind of preserve its healthy glow. And it smells so good. Kind of just like run it through the ends of my hair. That's another thing, like when you shampoo and condition your hair, it's important to condition just your ends. Conditioning your scalp, I find that it kind of leaves the top of my head to be oilier, and I prefer it to be more dry and full of volume. So the last thing I like to put on my scalp is the shampoo, and I only really condition my ends. One of the hairstyles that I've been using a lot recently is just bobby pinning my bangs and my hair out of my face. So you can take just some regular brown bobby pins, and these don't have those grooves on it, so they look nice when you put them in your hair. I'll pin both sides so it kind of curves like this. The thing about my hair, it is parted to my left side, so sometimes I clip it like this and then leave the rest of the hair to fall down. This allows my hair, on days when it's super voluminous and big, to kind of look thinner. This is with the pin in it. Without it, it kind of looks way bigger and it's kind of like all in my face, you know? My hair looks a lot more neat and the bangs fall swiftly. And then I'll pin this side as well. And this side, because there's not a lot of hair on this side, only really needs one clip. And that could be a look. Or if I want my bangs to be completely out of my face, I'll clip the first one closer to where my bangs cut off. And I'll have like that cute little poof. Back in those middle school days when we would do the poof, but this is obviously more fit for current trends. And there's the second clip, and then the middle clip I'll just place right in between them. And it just gives a clean 3 bobby pin look. And on this side, let me just make this tighter. It kind of gives like a sleek back look while keeping your hair big at the bottom. When I am working in the library or, you know, sitting at Starbucks doing work on my laptop and I want my hair out of my face, I will do this. So now that we're done with the hair, the makeup, I wanted to show you guys what I typically wear during the daytime compared to nighttime. So stay tuned. So my daytime look would kind of look like this. I don't have the best setup right now to show you my full outfit, but it's a green dress that comes about right above the knee. It's puffy sleeved, high neckline, and I'd pair it with some black combat boots such as these. If it's cold outside, I'd probably wear a long sleeve white turtleneck to kind of cover my arms and black tights to cover my legs. And obviously like a trench coat or something like that, probably like a black one. I also have this light gray one that works well with this outfit, especially when I'm wearing a white long sleeve turtleneck. And yeah, on to the nighttime look. So for the nighttime look, I'd wear something like this. And as you can see, there's a lot of layers here. So let's start with the top. This is a white sheer magazine print crop top that I'd layer with a black one-piece dress. And because it's cold out there, I did layer a plain black pencil skirt underneath this, and it does come out like this, so I just tucked this little part back in, and so now it looks like a more put together piece. I pair this with black heeled boots or like knee-high boots. Keep in mind, if you are layering your clothes like this, the black contrasting color needs to be on the outside and the lighter color stays on the inside. If you were to do it vice versa, it does look kind of weird. And make sure you're wearing comfortable shoes out, because I have made the mistake of wearing very uncomfortable heels out and it was just an embarrassing mess. So yeah, but that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click here to watch my drunk mukbang video, and don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so you never miss another entertaining moment with me again. Bye.